Today we are doing an interesting mixture. Jungle green, number 30, color white, and number 35. I cannot wait to see how it really turns out. This is a very interesting mixture. So welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa. And as usual, you need a comb like this one to streamline your work. So if you get a comb like this, you'll save a lot of time. Either of the two combs of something or something that looks like these combs. So you can go ahead and get one of these. It's going to make your mixing work so easy. And then don't forget to moisturize the braids so that you do not have a hard time when it comes to mixing. So to begin, we will start with hand mixing. This one is going to help us when you come in with the comb to just finish it faster, okay? So you just start with the hand mixing first. You make sure all the colors are blending in together very nicely. And then now you can go in and begin with the comb. So do check your time when it comes to this one. And the reason why this year we said we don't want to do boring braids, because, you know, the usual colors are becoming just boring. Okay. So we're just mixing everything up. Whichever color you want to get, just get it and mix it up. So right now we are going in with the comb now, and the comb, you'll see it's streamlining the work. It's making our work so easy. Unlike in the past, if you decide to mix these whole braids by hand alone, it would take a couple of hours actually. But with this one, in less than 30 minutes, you are done mixing your braids and you're ready to install them. So do keep that in mind. And of course, it's very normal for some braids to come out and yeah, they will remain on the comb, so that there's no need for alert. It happens when you're mixing. So look at that. Look at that mixture. It's very cute and it's very beautiful. And of course, we are going to try it out with the braid so we'll see the real outcome. And yes, this is how it looks like. Very, very cute, very unique, very beautiful. If you like this one, you can go ahead and try it out. And yes, it comes really well. It comes out really well when you do it on knotless braids or normal braids or even twists, okay? So you can go ahead and give it a try. And if you like any of these colors here that I've mixed already, do subscribe to my channel. I've uploaded some of them and I'll keep uploading all of them in the next videos to come. So subscribe to my channel. Do not miss any of the videos. Just click on the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss anything. By the way, I do have channel memberships. If you want exclusive content, you can subscribe. The link is in the description down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.